Greetings, Tech Vibe followers. Get ready as we dive into the cutting-edge technology behind heavy equipment. Let's jump right in. If you think your excavator is powerful, wait until you see the CAT 6015 Super Ripper. This machine doesn't just dig, it rips through the toughest terrain with unmatched force. Boasting 1,200 horsepower and a colossal operating weight of 143 tons, it's built for extreme tasks. Its massive cam arm can handle up to 65 cubic meters of material, making even the hardest ground seem like child's play. When faced with difficult conditions, the CAT 6015 Super Ripper is the ultimate machine to get the job done with ease. The Tesmec 1475 XL Evo Chainsaw Trencher is a state-of-the-art machine engineered for efficient and precise trenching operations. It features a high-performance chainsaw attachment designed specifically for trenching, with a large, high-speed cutting chain that can slice through various types of soil, rocks, and other materials. This chainsaw system enables precise and controlled cutting depths, ensuring accurate trench dimensions and minimizing the need for additional excavation. Introducing AccuCut Concrete Services Giant, an engineering marvel equipped with a 91-inch round diamond blade and a patented skid steer saw. This machine showcased its unique capabilities on the Pinellas Bayway Bridge in the USA, demonstrating exceptional precision and power in concrete cutting. Each cut made by the Giant exemplifies engineering brilliance and technological innovation, setting new standards for quality in the construction industry. Step into the world of monster mining draglines, the most powerful machines in America, capable of moving over 100,000 cubic yards of material daily. These giant machines function like mechanical titans, effortlessly filling their massive buckets with earth and swinging them with precision, dropping the load into colossal piles. It's a combination of raw power and technical finesse, reminiscent of an artful performance. Watching these machines in action showcases the impressive union of strength and grace in the mining industry. The RWE 100 cutter wheel is a robust cutting tool designed for excavation and trenching. Ideal for use with excavators or backhoes, it boasts exceptional performance, durability, and versatility. Constructed with high-quality materials and advanced engineering, the RWE 100 ensures reliable operation, even in challenging conditions, making it perfect for construction and underground utility work. Its design allows it to withstand the rigors of demanding excavation tasks, providing efficient and effective cutting capabilities. In the world of construction, Casa Grande Hydro Mills stands out as superheroes among ordinary bulldozers. Designed to withstand the toughest ground conditions, these machines feature two drive gears that rotate directly at the bottom of the trench, effectively milling soil and rock and mixing it with bentonite slurry. Ideal for creating membrane walls, these hydromills are not only reliable, but also exceed expectations, adding a touch of style to every excavation project. Load the logs and the powerful knives roar to shred them into wood chips. Quick, efficient, and ready for storage. Perfect for producing mulch or fuel, ensuring every bit of wood is put to good use. The Chemrock KSI is a SCOChem injection attachment designed for the penetration of cement slurry into cohesive soils. Developed in collaboration with a German specialized civil engineering company, the KSI injection attachment is fundamental to the SCOChem process. This process is a soil stabilization system that uses excavator attachments to inject and mix a defined concrete slurry into non-bearing soils, or KSI. Once cured, this mixture forms a homogeneous, impermeable, and frost-resistant soil cement structure. Significantly improving the soil's load-bearing capacity and stability. Check out this 1,100 horsepower giant that relentlessly transforms logs into wood chips. In mere seconds, a log is drawn into the powerful chipper teeth, producing fine particles ideal for biofuel or mulch. With its diesel hybrid drive, this machine performs efficiently, even under intense workloads. Massive trunks enter the debarker, where the bark is stripped and blown aside, revealing clean wood. The second crane then stacks the debarked logs into tidy piles, perfectly prepared for the next stages of processing. One of the most intriguing wheel loaders today is the new XC9350. Electrically driven, it boasts the largest lifting capacity, energy recovery, energy savings, and high efficiency. Weighing approximately 150 tons and featuring an 18 cubic meter bucket, this electric drive loader is ideal for supporting 130 to 200 ton mining dump trucks. Primarily used in open-pit mining for short-distance loading transportation, the XC9350 is equipped with an electronically controlled direct-flow hydraulic system, a load sensor, a steering system, and advanced energy-saving technology. You're now seeing on the screens a DFM Feller Buncher, a specialized logging machine designed for cutting tree trunks and stacking them in bundles. When paired with a Deere track loader, it forms an effective combination. The operator adjusts the equipment to the work area, extends the boom mechanism to the required length, ranging from 3 to 8 meters, allowing access to trees in difficult locations. The machine then grips and cuts the trunk, bagging them and stacking them in packs for the next stage, skidding. Additionally, the machine can cut down trees located in front, to the right, and to the left within the boom's reach distance, enhancing its versatility and efficiency. The new generation of CAT D11 dozers represents a significant advancement in bulldozer technology, setting new benchmarks in power, efficiency, and operator comfort. Building on the legacy of the renowned CAT D11 series, these dozers incorporate cutting-edge features and innovations for unmatched performance in the most demanding earth-moving and mining applications. The engines are designed to meet stringent emissions regulations while maximizing fuel efficiency, thus reducing operating costs and minimizing environmental impact. Built with high-quality materials and components, these machines are engineered to withstand the most challenging operating conditions. The technologically advanced M500E1000 is a new forestry mulcher designed for 18 to 25-ton excavators. It is ideal for carriers with up to 230 horsepower and hydraulic fluid flow rates of 120 to 260 IPM, 31.7 to 70 GPM. The rugged and compact body of this equipment make it a versatile unit for mulching trees and dense brush. You can see the M500E1000 in action on your screens, demonstrating its efficiency and power in handling tough forestry tasks. Watching two of Saren's most powerful crawler cranes in motion is like experiencing a masterful display of precision and strength. These colossal machines work in perfect sync, lifting massive weights with ease and efficiency. Their coordinated movements and combined capabilities highlight not only their immense power, but also the meticulous engineering and planning behind their operation. Today, they demonstrate how teamwork between machines can tackle even the most demanding construction challenges, exemplifying cutting-edge construction technology at its best. The immense size of the bucket is striking, making a person standing beside it look tiny. Every component of this machine is built for handling massive and complex tasks, demonstrating its ability to manage the heaviest and most voluminous materials with ease. The oversized bucket helps significantly reduce the time and effort required for challenging jobs. Seeing this technological marvel in action is a testament to human innovation and the incredible advancements we've achieved in heavy machinery. This cylinder milling machine turns trunks into flawlessly smooth blanks. Its rotor mechanism swiftly removes the bark, ensuring each pass is quick and precise, leaving the wood perfectly prepared for further processing without additional finishing required. The Shurel Intercombi heavy transport system was expertly utilized to move a submarine. Its specially designed carts and a platform with a free swivel feature allowed precise and controlled maneuvering, even in challenging conditions. This minimized the risk of damage while ensuring the operation remained safe and efficient, with each movement meticulously planned and executed. The Caterpillar Cat 994 front loader is one of the largest loaders in the world, designed to work with dump trucks that have payload capacities of 150, 200, and 250 tons. This massive machine weighs 239 tons and is powered by a reliable turbocharged Cat 3516E diesel engine with a total capacity of 1,847 horsepower. Caterpillar has focused on reducing operating expenses with features like an advanced air filter design that triples engine life and extends the oil change interval by 500 engine hours. Additionally, all the truck's lighting fixtures use long-lasting, economical LEDs. The new WoodKing Duo is now even more efficient and flexible, making it the most adaptable delimbing saw for both left and right-hand installation, with basic accessories included. The unit can be attached on either side, allowing the operator to work from any position. It handles both thin and thick limbs with ease, and the maximum working height is achieved with the help of a telescopic loader. The manufacturer has included a protective frame to safeguard the equipment during operation. The boom extends to the side by 47 inches, enabling efficient limb cutting while moving along the roadside. Additionally, the side counterweight balances the boom's load on the vehicle, reducing the risk of tipping over and enhancing safety. Odembu's new Bauer CSM machine, the RG21, features advanced technology for quiet operation and minimal emissions. The CSM system is fully resistant to vibrations and subsidence, significantly reducing construction risks and inconveniences. This ensures a safer and more environmentally friendly construction process. Prepare for a game changer at your construction site with the DAPN Screening Bucket. Designed for maximum efficiency, this tool is perfect for spreading materials like soil, stones, and debris. Its powerful hydraulic drive and durable wear-resistant structure ensure reliable performance in the toughest conditions. Whether it's sorting or crushing, the DAPN Screening Bucket enhances productivity while reducing labor intensity, making even complex tasks feel simple and streamlined. A must-have for boosting efficiency and precision on any construction project. In contrast, the electric Husky eMotion features a modern cab design, a completely new look, and zero emissions. Now, in series production, its electric motor generates 245 horsepower and delivers 1,000 foot-pounds of torque right from the start. Equipped with the Nordic liner system and twin-track mounting plates, this snowmobile creates smooth and durable off-road trails. The twin-engine, dual-propulsion, dual-drive road trains, or DPRT, offer a high payload capacity, significantly reducing the time and costs of transporting ore from the mine site to the concentrator, train, or barge loading terminal. With payloads of up to 500 tons and unlimited range, distance is no longer an issue. By reducing transportation and vehicle cycles, DPRT enhances productivity while lowering costs. The additional payload capacity achieved with DPRT is a game changer, dramatically improving operational productivity and cost efficiency. The Sleipner DB120 Plus, combined with the powerful Epiroc Pit Viper 271 drill, forms a formidable duo that revolutionizes the efficiency and mobility of drilling operations in the mining and construction industries. The Sleipner DB120 Plus is a robust and versatile carrier designed for heavy machinery transportation. With its impressive load capacity and rugged construction, it effortlessly transports the Epiroc Pit Viper 271 drill to drilling sites, regardless of distance or terrain. This combination enhances operational efficiency, allowing for seamless relocation and improved productivity. When dealing with 580 tons of cargo, traditional trucks are no match for SPMTs, self-propelled multi-wheeled platforms. Each module has numerous steerable wheels that allow for millimeter-level precision. The process begins with evenly distributing the load across the platform. Then, the synchronized movement of all wheels ensures smooth navigation around obstacles. The SPMT's hydraulic system adjusts the platform's height, balancing the massive load and enabling steady, secure transportation. This technology provides unparalleled flexibility and control for handling extremely heavy and complex loads. Before the log even registers, it's caught in the machine's iron grip and the bark peels away, leaving a perfectly smooth trunk. The tandem of machines operates in flawless synchronization, processing each log to a pristine finish. The automated machine swiftly turns logs into planks with its powerful pendulum blade. Each cut is precise and smooth, transforming the log into straight, uniform blanks, a true combat sawmill. On steep slopes, this powerhouse demonstrates exceptional balance and strength, expertly gripping and stacking trees. With hydraulic arms and a stable undercarriage, it truly reigns as the king of mountain logging. The stationary firewood processor by Posh is a reliable and efficient solution for processing firewood. Its innovative features and practical design simplify cutting, splitting, and packaging tasks. Standout feature is its ability to handle up to 12 logs without time-consuming knife changes. The hydraulically adjustable splitting knife, controlled via joystick, adapts to the log's diameter, ensuring optimal performance and productivity. The HH160 is a robust and powerful 160-ton hinge hatch loader, renowned for its exceptional loading capabilities in heavy-duty applications. When it comes to loading a drill, the HH160 truly shines. This formidable loader boasts a range of features that ensure smooth and efficient loading operations. Its high lifting capacity and impressive reach allow it to handle large drills effortlessly, minimizing the need for additional equipment or manual labor. The loader is equipped with advanced stability systems, ensuring secure and balanced operations, even when handling heavy loads. The FTV 550 is a specialized transporter designed to handle the challenging task of delivering rotor blades to remote locations. It excels in navigating difficult terrains, including steep slopes and uneven surfaces, all while safely managing long, oversized loads. Its advanced engineering ensures that wind energy components, such as rotor blades, are delivered with precision and reliability. This machine plays a crucial role in the logistics chain, particularly for wind energy projects in hard-to-reach areas. The Panther low-frame trailer is built for transporting loads up to 360 tons. Featuring a robust frame and reinforced chassis design, the loading process involves distributing the weight evenly across the platform to minimize deformation and reduce axle stress. The trailer's multi-point stabilization suspension system ensures a smooth and steady ride, even when carrying oversized or heavy loads. Discover a new level of productivity with the Euro Mount front loader, which stands out with its unique design and advanced functionality. This loader features a third-circuit drive with a power of 50 loads per minute, allowing for precise and clean wood cutting with its bandsaw. It offers adjustable cutting lengths of up to 19.7 inches and can handle wood lengths up to 66.9 inches, making it ideal for processing large batches. With an impressive cutting speed of approximately 90 seconds per bundle, it can process around 10 bundles per hour. The loader boasts a loading height of 13.1 feet and weighs 1,653.5 pounds with a width of 92.5 inches. Truly impressive, isn't it? A massive tree on a steep slope may seem like a formidable opponent, but with a saw, the task becomes an exercise. Each movement follows a careful rhythm, and in the end, the tree yields gracefully. In an instant, a powerful tool slices through the wood, and moments later, the majestic tree starts to fall. With a loud crack, the massive trunk lands on the ground, a testament to the strength of logging machinery. Felbermayer's Engineered Solutions division showcases its engineering prowess by successfully transporting a 530-ton, 240-foot-long bridge. The project involved lifting the bridge 13 feet using a hydraulic jack and heavy-duty stacking system to safely load it onto a self-propelled vehicle. This impressive feat of engineering and teamwork highlights Felbermayer's advanced technology and significant contribution to the heavy hauling industry, demonstrating their ability to manage monumental projects with precision and expertise. This front loader is powered by an APS 2500 engine, delivering a rated power of 55 kilowatts at 2400 RPM. It features a hydraulic torque converter and a water-cooled mode. A standout aspect is its braking system, with hydraulic sliding brakes on all four wheels. The loader is highly versatile, coming equipped with attachments including a pallet fork, log grapple, crocodile bucket, snowblower, sweeper, concrete mixer, and straw grapple. This makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, ensuring its utility in various lines of work. The Syntrack with a snowblower attachment is a powerful and versatile machine designed for efficient and precise snow removal. Featuring a robust chassis and high-performance engine, it handles heavy snowfall and demanding conditions effortlessly. The powerful auger and blower system break down and disperse snow effectively, ensuring quick and thorough clearing of roads, driveways, parking lots, and other snow-affected areas. To ensure maximum user comfort and the ability to install the Cerberus suction vehicle in urban environments, the stainless steel hood is equipped with soundproofing material to reduce operating noise. The filter bags are cleaned using counterflow compressed air nozzles. The Cerberus's modular concept allows it to be transformed into a multifunctional machine, expanding its range of applications. A high-lift mechanism ensures unloading at a maximum height of 7.7 feet into containers or big bags. Additionally, a hydraulically articulated 4-segment boom or jib with a 9.8-inch suction hose diameter can be mounted on the rear tank door. A blow ejector can be installed for operations like roof blowing with a maximum overpressure of 1.2 bar. The versatile Trail King cart can be configured in multiple ways, using the Schnabel configuration, replacing the standard wheelbase with a steerable 13-axle setup, or using a Jeep dolly for bunk bed operation. The new design of the Trail King offers enhanced maneuverability with a larger steering angle, steeper turns, and reduced manual steering effort. It features wireless manual operation and an automatic leveling system that self-centers after manual adjustments, ensuring ease of use and precision in various transport scenarios. NOAQ's new box wall barriers are revolutionizing maxi emergency scenarios. These self-contained mobile self-anchoring barriers can hold water up to 50 centimeters high, forming a box wall that provides effective flood protection. They are ideal for use on level surfaces like sidewalks, lawns, and paved roads. Minimal water penetration is expected with all mobile flood barriers, but this can be mitigated by covering the barriers with plastic sheeting. For enhanced protection, it is recommended to pair one or more pumps on the dry side of the barrier. Introducing a new generation of trailer, designed specifically for movie production. This trailer is engineered to mimic vehicle movements naturally, making it invisible behind the towed vehicle. Developed in collaboration with Tridec, its hydraulic rear axle control provides exceptional adaptability and precise control, allowing for customizable driving behavior tailored to various shooting scenarios. Additionally, the trailer is user-friendly, offering quick adaptation to different vehicle types and minimizing vibrations during recording with a sophisticated damping system. This innovative trailer is set to revolutionize on-location film production. Loading such a large and heavy concrete slab is a very difficult and demanding task. The Dynapack CT3000 Tamping Compactor is a powerful machine designed for compacting soil, granular materials, and asphalt across various construction projects. A standout feature is its intelligent compaction system, which uses advanced technology including sensors and onboard computers to monitor and analyze the compaction process in real time. This system provides crucial data on compaction depth, frequency, and pass count, enabling operators to optimize efficiency and ensure consistent results throughout the entire work area. In April 2016, the First Spiritualist Church of Springfield, originally built in 1887, was moved 400 feet to make way for the MGM Springfield Casino. This delicate relocation was executed by lifting the 3-story brick building with 68 steel beams and 20 hydraulic jacks. It was then transported on 14 Buckingham carts to its new location. The move highlights the successful use of modern technology to preserve historical structures while making room for new developments, merging heritage conservation with progress. Meet the Bomag BC 773 EB5 model, the latest revolution in soil compaction. Bomag compactors set new standards in excavation and mineral waste disposal, maximizing every cubic meter of your construction site. This model boosts productivity by up to 10% compared to traditional dozers. The intuitive cab features 5 displays and a multifunctional joystick, providing convenience and control for easier and more efficient operation. Reliable in all conditions, the BC 773 EB5 is your perfect partner for achieving optimal soil compaction. The Marshall Tree Saw 1600, when mounted on the John Deere 333G compact truck loader (CTL), forms a powerful and efficient combination for tree cutting and removal. This robust pairing handles a wide range of tree clearing applications with versatility, reliability, and productivity. In summary, the Marshall Tree Saw 1600 and John Deere 333G CTL provide an effective solution for various tree cutting and removal tasks. The Converse C91 is a dredger designed for small waterways, canals, and lakes. This advanced machine features the CW10 quick coupling system, allowing for the attachment of various tools including a mowing bucket, dredging pump, chain mower, and grapple. The C91 model is equipped with 3 outriggers, 2 in the front and 1 in the rear. With mass ranging from 157 to 236 inches in length. It operates using a double auger with an anti-twist design, which is hydraulically foldable and height adjustable, providing reliable and efficient performance in diverse aquatic environments. The Green Climber LV800 Pro is an advanced remote-controlled slope mower designed for challenging terrains and steep slopes. Ideal for mowing and maintaining vegetation on hillsides, embankments, and other difficult-to-access areas. It can handle inclines of up to 60 degrees. This robust mower features a powerful engine and a user-friendly remote control system. Allowing operators to safely and efficiently maneuver the machine from a distance while achieving excellent cutting performance. The SmartRock T40 surface drilling machine features a state-of-the-art intelligent control system, making it both operator-friendly and business-friendly. Primarily used in construction material quarries, it focuses on efficiency and reducing environmental impact. By delivering the right amount of power at each stage of drilling, the machine optimizes fuel consumption without compromising performance. These advanced features make the SmartRock T40 versatile and suitable for a wide range of applications.
If you are thrilled by the immense power of heavy equipment and the wonders of modern engineering, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Join us as we explore technological frontiers and uncover the impressive innovations shaping our world.